part 2 time, so I can't do the part 2 while I'm doing this. See mine? This is so dumb. Oh my god, what is going on? Oh my god. This is so dumb. Why do you have a broken screw like that? Comment down below if you want to see a broken screw. And don't you never talk about this anyway? I bet it is. Okay, forget that. Let's see if it's... Oh, man. Okay, forget this broken screw. Let's see if it still works. Hi, what are you doing out there? Oh, I'm good. How are you doing? I'm doing good. Are you okay about the broken screw? Yeah, I'm totally good. If I really like this walkie-talkie Spider-Man toy, it's probably the coolest thing ever. I never care about the broken screw. And don't you never talk about how this toy works? I bet it is. Now, I like it so much if you do know how you love this. This is probably the coolest thing ever. Spider-Man is red, Miles Morales is black. So far, so good. But on the back of the package, it looks like this. Spider-Man has antennas, speakers, black talk button, microphone, on and off switch, and there are other ways to do this. And this was the best way to have in your collection. Thanks for the boxes, Spider-Man walkie-talkies. And this way, you don't do the way that works when you put the screws to do this. And the screws don't work. Bye.